Good evening, guys. Today again I come back with another English 1 class. But today's class is not of any new lesson but the continuation of the previous lesson of preposition. Now, previous day I had given you explanation of 6 topics, that is, those are at, in, on, by, during, and for, right? So these were the few topics I explained previous day and gave you 2 worksheets to complete and send it to me based on these 6 topics. Now today I have come up with a video where I'm explaining the each and every questions of the worksheet which I had sent, so that it would be easier for you to understand why you have written the answers by or at or in or on in the worksheet. Now students, one thing, before I start the explanation, I would today tell you some fact about the preposition. Preposition in English grammar is something which is more listening based, right? More we listen to English, better grip we have on prepositions. Now prepositions have a lot of rules, where to use at, where to use on. All right, sometimes you will see same sort of sentence, somebody is using at, somebody is using on. So it is more of experience, more of practice, more of listening than of following the rules. We as English teachers or grammar teachers can give you few rules, 80% of it I can say, and rest is more like listening. So for that, again, I suggest you listen to more English stuffs, read more English stuffs like English novels. All right, so now let's come to the explanation part. Now these were the questions which I had given the previous day. This is worksheet 1 and this was exercise 2 or worksheet 2. Now the entire question paper was out of 20 and nobody got, first I would say no one got 20 on 20. I can say Dhruvo Sinha of class 5 got 19 out of 20. Samriddhi got 18. Shomudru got 17. I guess Shreya got 17, and I cannot remember rest. You can post your marks in the group one by one, wherein we can have a clear understanding of your marks. So here is the question paper. Now first question, you see, what is the first question saying? First question is saying Diwali is dash 10th November. Now, here the answer would be on. Now, if you can remember the video which I had sent, the rule of using on says on is used for a particular day. On is used for a particular day. On is used before a particular day. So you see, 10th November is a particular day. We have mentioned the date, 10th of November. So we are using on. Next, we move on to the next question. Gandhiji lived dash the English rule. Most of you have written in the English rule. No, why in the English rule? Somebody has written, including Samriddhi has written by the English rule. No, Gandhiji never lived by their rule. He never followed their rule. So we want to know what period did Gandhiji lived. Gandhiji lived during the English rule. during the English rule. He lived during English rule. So if we come to our previous video, we will see during is used. The rule during is used when an action or situation continues for some time. During is used before that specific period. During is used before a specified period. So a specified period. So we can see clearly, we want to know, this sentence wants to know, when did Gandhiji live? Which period did Gandhiji live? Gandhiji lived during the period of English rule. Okay. Next we move on to the next question. They finished work. Okay. Now the correct answer is by. Correct answer is by. Now why by? If you can remember the rule of by, which I had mentioned, by is used to denote the ultimate point. Denote the ultimate point. By which some action has to be completed. Now you have got to the time of sunset. Maximum time of completion of your work is sunset. So by is used before sunset. Now next we move on to our next question. Gandhiji was born dash 1869 and died dash 1948. So we use here in, born in 1869, died in 1948. Now if you can recollect the use of in is used before the length of time, or the time which is not specific, in is used before a non-specified time. The time, exact time is not specified here. The year is given, but the exact date and time is not given here. So we use in, nothing other than in. Next we move on to the question number 5. I will call at your house sometime dash the evening. Now somebody has written here during. Yes, during the evening I'll call you. Somebody has written here by the evening. Yes, I will call you. By again here is used as during evening I'll call. Somebody used here in the evening. Yes, used for a period of time, that is also correct. But someone has used at is not correct. At is a word which is used to point exact time, which is not at all mentioned here. Either it will give you the exact time or it will mean exact time. Here it is neither it is using the exact time nor it is meaning exact time, right? Next we move on to question number 6. Shankar's birthday is dash March 3rd. On. See, on is used before a particular day. 3rd March is a particular day, on is used. Next we move on to question number 7. The train leaves Delhi dash 3 p.m. and reaches Chandigarh dash 7 p.m. Now the answer is at and at. Nothing other than at. Somebody has written here by. Why by? Guys, in India, train leaves by, maximum time is given and train can leave any time before between that. No, trains are sometimes go, but when the time is mentioned on the chart or board of a station, the train will leave at 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So that means it is the exact time. That is the time it will reach, and that is the time it will leave or depart. So here nothing other than at. Okay, exact time. Now question number 8, we should be here dash now. Here the word now is giving us the feeling of the ultimate time, the feeling of ultimate point of action, feeling of ultimate point of action by which the action must be completed. All right, so here you see by now. All right, he should be here, his coming should have been completed by now. So the answer is by now. Next, please come to my office at 11 a.m. on Tuesday afternoon. Here particular day is mentioned, particular day again is mentioned, so on. Next, number 10, Parmoth will see me on Monday. Why on? Because particular day is mentioned, and at 11 a.m. Why at 11 a.m.? Because at specifies exact time. So exact time is mentioned 11 a.m. So that's why it is 11 at 11 a.m. Okay, that's it for exercise 1. Now we move on to practice exercise 2. Now here guys, practice exercise 2. See the first question. You must reach there dash weekend. Again, the maximum time is mentioned. The maximum time is given. The ultimate point of time is mentioned here. Ultimate point of time is mentioned over here. That is by weekend. Now I guess Anushka Mukherjee of class 6 has written before weekend. That is also correct. Before weekend also you can write. That is, you must reach there before weekend. But after that, beyond these two, other than these two, nothing else. Okay. Next, the robbers entered the house, and here you guys, most of you did not understand, this should be dash the night. The night. All right. So again, when did the robbers entered the house? The robbers could enter the house during the night. All right. And or the robbers can enter the house by the night. That is again same as during and in the night. But at, no. What time at night? It is not specified. Okay, so either of these three you can write. Next, question number 3. The exhibition will be opened at, because exact time is mentioned, on Friday, because exact date is given. Next, question number 4. The interested candidates should report for interview latest by dash 3rd June 2007. Now children, someone has given me here answer on, in, blah blah blah, but why did you give any answer over here? Because this gap itself is wrong. Here by is the answer. By mistake I have given you this question which has the answer. Latest by 3rd June 2007. Ultimate point of time of completion of work is given. So here would be no other answer. By is the answer. Next we move on to question number 5. He came to my house dash my absence. Now the question here is, when did he come? He came either during my absence And the best answer is in my absence. So either you can write during or in. Other than that, nothing else. Next, question number 6. The examinations will commence. Particular date is given. You see, April 1. So here would be on, and particular time, exact time is given. So at 9 a.m. Now we move on to question number 7. Send your reply dash March 3rd latest. Latest means latest. What do you mean by latest? Latest means ultimate time is given. Ultimate time is given means what? We use by March 3rd. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 says, we are having a variety of show. Variety of show. When are we having a variety of show? We are having a variety of show during our holidays. During holiday. Okay, not in holiday. Holiday is a period of time. Holiday is a period of time, and during is used before a period of time, like during summer vacation, during our holidays, during our class. Okay, so during our school time. So these are the places where we use during to show a period of time, right? So here the answer would be during. Next, are you coming to see us dash Diwali? It would be on Diwali. Now, someone asked me from some class that why not at Diwali? Why on Diwali? Now students, if it would have been Christmas, I would have written at Christmas, not here. At Diwali is wrong, on Diwali is correct. Here at Christmas is correct, on Christmas is wrong. Reason, you see, Christmas comes every year on a particular date, that is 25th of December. However, Diwali has no specific date. No specific date. It comes on varied date every year. So you see, when a festival falls every year on a particular day, then we use at before it. Okay. Otherwise, if the festival comes on varied dates over the years and years, then we use on before it. Okay. And the last one is the gale got up. You can write at night, you can write by night, you can write during night, but you cannot write in the night, in night. Okay, why not in night? Because again, let me remind you, in is used before a period of time which is not exact. A period of time it means, but not exact. But here you see night. Here night means at a particular time in night. If it would have been the night, then it any time at night. Okay, but night here actually points to particular time at night. Okay, so the gale got up at night or by night, which again means during night, and during night, and did much damage. Okay, so these are the explanations for your questions of last week. Right now, students, we will move on to today's task. Yes guys, so I expect that it was clear for you to understand the answers well now. So today's task, students, is a speech activity. The speech activity of today is, you will give me a speech of 2 minutes. Okay, class 6, you will give me a speech of 2 minutes. Class 5, you can give me a speech of 1.5 minutes on any funny incidents in your life that will actually make us laugh. And the best one student, the one which would be have give which would make all of us literally laugh and smile, I would post it in the group. All right, post it in the group, and when the lockdown gets over, a promise gift would also be given to you, a reward kind of thing. Okay, so think and then post a speech. There's no hurry burry. I want the speech by Thursday evening. I'm giving you long time to first think, cook, create, and then learn the speech, and then give the speech for 2 minutes. And class 5, if you give me 2 minutes speech, that would be excellent, or else maximum of 1.5 minutes I can say, not less than that. Okay, and be quick. By Thursday evening the speech should reach to me. And guys, I'll meet you on Thursday again with some other grammar activity. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay at home, take care of your health, take care of your family. Tada.